Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this session we are going to see some problems on oscillations, and these are mainly useful for NEET and the JEE preparation. So friends, who didn't subscribe to our channel, and it's time to press on the bell icon and subscribe button. Do the like to this video, and your like is our encouragement. Let us see the first problem. And this is our first problem, that is a simple particle is subjected to two SHMs. I think all of you know that the full form of SHM, that is simple harmonic mean. And in this question they given two SHM, that is x1 and x2. And x1 is given as a1 sin omega t, and x2 is given as a2 sin omega t plus pi by 4. And they are asking to find us the resultant SHM will have an amplitude of. We have to find the resultant amplitude. So the formula of resultant amplitude is A net is equals to under root A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos phi. And this phi here indicates the angle. In the question, angle is given as pi by 4. You can see here, angle is given as pi by 4. So substitute the value of cos pi by 4 in this equation. So the value of cos pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. In trigonometric equations, you can learn that. And you can substitute here a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 into 1 by root 2. So friends, you know that 2 we can write as root 2 into root 2. Yes, right? So I am writing here 2 as root 2 into root 2, and I am cancelling one root 2 and this one root 2. Only one root 2 is remaining here. So and write the next step as a1 square plus a2 square plus only one root 2 is present here, root 2 a1 a2 into 1. 1 is no need to know. So this is the answer, and we got the option as C. You can see here under root a1 square plus a2 square plus root 2 a1 a2. So our option C. Once we can check the solution. And now let us see the second question, that is the maximum displacement of an oscillating particle is 0.05 meters. I think you know that maximum displacement is also known as amplitude. Yes, no? So in this question amplitude is given as A is equals to 0.05 meters, and if its time period is 1.57 seconds, time period is given as 1.57 seconds. And they are asking to find us what is its velocity at mean position. We have to find first one is Vmax, and second one is what is its acceleration at extreme position. That means we have to find Amax. And now let us find the Vmax first. We know that the formula for Vmax is omega t. Vmax is equals to, formula is omega A, and this omega we can write as 2 pi by t. Now substitute the values of t and a in this equation. Vmax is equals to 2 pi by t into a. That is equals to 2 into pi value is, we know that 3.14, by t value here it is 1.57 seconds into a value is 0.05 meters. And now let us see calculation of 3.14 by 1.57 is 3.14 divided 1.57 is equals to, answer is 2. I got here answer is 2. So let us substitute here the value 2 into the answer of 3.14 by 1.57 is 2 we got into 0.05 meters. That is equals to 4 into 0.05 meters, and we'll get the answer as 0.2 meter per second. it is the Vmax value. And now let us see the Amax value, and we have the formula as Amax is equals to omega square A. We all know that Amax formula is equals to omega square A, and this omega we can substitute as, here we already did the omega, 2 pi by T into 2 pi by T into A. Here we got the 2 pi by T value as 4, yes no? So I am writing directly 2 pi by T value as 4 into 2 pi by T value I got already 4 into A value is 0.05. That is equals to 16 into 0.05. That is equals to, we will get answer as 0.8 meter per second square. This is the Amax value, and this is the Vmax value. And this is the solution once you can recheck. And now let us see the next problem, that is the time period of a particle performing linear SHM is 12 seconds. The given is time period, that is time period is given as capital T, that is equals to 12 seconds. And what is the time taken? Given time period, we have to find the time taken, that is small t we have to find. What is the time taken by it to make a displacement equal to half of its amplitude? Amplitude is given as by A and displacement will give by Y. Given in question is Y is equals to displacement is equals to half of its amplitude. Displacement is equals to half of its amplitude. So Y is equals to A by 2. Now we have to find the value of small t. For this we know the formula as Y is equals to A sin omega t. We know this formula, right? So I am substituting the values of these in this equation. Y is given as A by 2. A by 2 is equals to A sin omega t. Here A and A is cancelled, and 1 by 2 is equals to sin omega t. Here I am equaling 1 by 2 as sin pi by 6. You know, right, sin pi by 6, that means sin 30. Sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. So I am writing instead of 1 by 2 as sin 30. Okay, sin pi by 6 is equals to sin omega t. I am cancelling sin and sin here. So the remaining is pi by 6 is equals to omega t, and here I am writing omega as 2 pi by t. Pi by 6 is equals to 2 pi by capital T into small t. Substitute the value of capital T, that is 12 seconds. Pi by 6 is equals to 2 pi by 12 into t. So we will get as 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 cancel, pi cancel. We will get as small t is equal, that is time taken is equals to 1 second. So the answer is time taken is equals to 1 second. Option is option 1. Okay, once you can recheck the answer and question. These problems are to be continued in next video, that is part 2 of oscillations. And if you have any doubts, you can join in our Telegram group and you can ask your queries there. I gave the link in my description box of our Telegram group channel. Thank you for watching this video.